A very good morning to all the officers, my dear friends, and the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya 2. On the 75th eve of Republic Day of India, we are gathered here to celebrate this occasion. Headed by Ashwin of Kendriya Vidyalaya carried the official flags, marching in a parade, following the color banners.
Kalabari, change.
Will have Cedar Dreams with Madam Cedar.
Kalabari, I say, take turn.
Chief guest, sir and madam, escorted by RPF pilots, RPF pilots, accompanied by AS IPF RMs. To signify this day, after gaining independence from the British rule, the new constitution was drafted. The drafting committee held by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Indian Constitution as a sovereign democratic republic.
Salami! Just.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा जय 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 हे विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा जय जयसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा शान इसकी जाने पाए सारे जान बलेगी जाए विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए तब होवे प्रणपूर्ण हमारा तब होवे प्रणपूर्ण हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा आओ प्यारे वीरों आओ देश धर्म पर बलि बलि जाओ एक साथ सब मिलकर गाओ प्यारा भारत देश हमारा प्यारा भारत देश हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
Red, Buggles, just. Red, fish.
I request Civilian sir to read out
Dwelling officers, supervisors, representatives from both the trade unions, associations, RPA personnel, principal, AV, other my dear children who present here. I express my hearty greetings to all of you on the occasion of 76th Republic Day. Now I would like to read on the message given by our beloved General Manager. Dear members of the railway fraternity, on the solemn occasion of the 76th Republic Day, I extend my warm greetings to all the members of the South Central Railway family. With unfurled majestic tricolor fluttering high, it is a time to rekindle a sense of oneness amongst us, all to reaffirm our patriotic commitment towards the cause of nation's progress and integration. The Constitution is more than just a legal document. It is the backbone of our democracy. It guarantees fundamental rights like freedom of speech, equality, and the right to the education, empowering every citizen of India. But along with these rights, one has to abide by the duties to strive towards the excellence in all the spheres of individual and collective activities so that the nation can constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. In this regard, Indian Railways and its committed workforce continue to play significant role in the process of nation's growth. At the outset, I feel privileged for leading South Central Railway, one of the best performing zone on the Indian Railways, on the image earned on the basis of the hard work rendered by the South Central Railway workforce through the last 58 years since the inception of the zone in 1966. This day offers us all an opportunity to analyze our performance and achievements during the current financial year 24-25. The priorities of railways in the times ahead. Safety in rail operation is the paramount importance, and it shall be our endeavor to live up to the trust of each rail user on the basis of zero tolerance to any lapse on this front. Asset maintenance by adopting best maintenance practices shall improve the reliability of assets and enhance train operations. Quality in the executive progress way. Coming to the performance of South Central Railway in the current financial year, the zone has recorded gross originating revenue of rupees 14,991 crores till December 2024, which include passenger revenue of rupees 4,268 crores and freight revenue of 10,011 crores. The freight loading of the zone is 102.8 million tons and we carry 197 millions of passengers till December in the current physical. Khanapur and Nandagaon stations for 31 kilometers in the Bidar Kalburgi section and 17 kilometers of newly constructed Lakanapet Medak rail line. South Central Railway has achieved 100 successfully, and I wish to express my best wishes to the recognized trade unions. South Central Railway Sports Association, Women's Welfare Organization and Lalita Kala Samiti have done very commendable work in the areas of sports, welfare and cultural activities respectively. I highly appreciate the selfless service being rendered by the civil defense and scouts and guides units in the times of need. On this occasion of Republic Day filled with a patriotic enthusiasm and war-helmed joy, we shall take a pledge to work with more dedication and commitment to serve our great nation and achieve the targets set by the zone. I am sure that with upheld team spirit, South Central Railway will deliver outstanding results in the days to come. I once again share my good wishes for your professional and personal success. Jai Hind. Your General Manager. We have seen the performance of South Central Railway. As all we know, is one of the best zone among the Indian Railways. As a Railpad workshop, we also have done our might to growth of this organization. Let we recollect our performance so that we rededicate ourselves for the growth of Indian Railways and Indian nation. The workshop can do 7,200 wagons the current financial year. In the last 2 years, we increased our performance by 20%. 20% growth in the industry is not that easy. And our 100 days failures has come down to 0.64% last year. This year much better, it is only 0.45%. As against Indian Railway maximum of 5% and average of 3.5%. No other workshop is near to us on the performance front. We also have done a lot of innovative works which has been acknowledged and approved by both the Railway Board and the RDSO. Some of them are maintenance of E-dimension, door height modification, overhauling of E-class bearings, and recently the design of BCCW wagons and the repairs of BFNB wagons. So the credit goes to our team of engineers. We have done excellent work. We also have done a lot of developmental works in the workshop for convenience and easy working of employees. Like we brought more than 150 world-class welding plants, which not only improve the quality of the welding, which also helps the employee to work easy. It is like the driving a Maruti 800 or driving the Benji. You know how you feel when you are driving the Benji car. Now all welding plants like a Benji car. So this is the time our employees get it trained, and definitely the welding quality will improve. And we also brought a lot of metal handling systems, maybe forklifts, skid loader, cranes, pallet trucks, battery operated pallet truck, like many metal handling system has been introduced in the last 1 year. It's made very convenient for the employees. And we also provide lot of hand tools for their convenience and easy working. And you can see the shape of the stripping shaft, how it looks 2 years before and today. Then you can understand how the management taken the proactive action to make convenient for the employees to work. And to improve the environment, we are also going to provide the incinerator within a month, so that all these plastics and paper waste, many other wastes can be scientifically burned instead of throwing and damaging the environment. These are some of the key areas where we contributed. There is an endless list to pronounce on. Now, regarding the staff welfare or for their convenience, the administration taken a lot of proactive actions. One of them is health checkup. The employees between 40 years to 60 years age, a massive health camp done by our health unit. They have done a commendable job and found some of the employees who are very critical in their health and got treated. More than 5 people who are very serious has been treated, and the data has been analyzed. The staff who is in the difficult health conditions, they will be identified and necessary proactive action will be initiated to improve their health. And regarding promotions, we know with our CME initiative, we introduced on the day of retirement, the new person gets promoted. Similarly, recently there are many electrical staff, they are stagnated in their own cadre without proper promotion. Recently, administration has taken the decision to change this cadre and promoted more than 10 staff. And we imported training, many of our supervisors and all the staff. As a result, the quality of the output has improved drastically. The scouts and guides, civil defense, they have done commendable work during the flood period, both outside railway premises, within our premises like in the workshop and colony. We can proud to say that during the flood time, the workshop got restored its normal operation within 3 days. Even many of the major organizations, they struggle for a month to get back into the normalcy. We could come back within 3 days. It's because of the tireless efforts put forth by all our engineers and staff. The personal branch, they have been doing good work, and any grievances getting solved within no time, and hardly I am getting any complaint. The credit goes to the personal branch and their team. And we have very good mature trade unions and associations. They understand the difficulty of the administration, and they know the administration and organization progress together, then only this organization will get flourished. In that motto, all the spheres and all the decision making, they are very proactive and supportive to the administration. I congratulate both the trade unions for once again getting their position back to recognition, and I hope their commitment and their sincerity definitely helpful for this organization, for administration and also for staff to solve their grievances. The institution has become more active. It is happy to note to gather such huge gathering here today. Similarly, every day evening we are finding many other people coming here and playing and improving their health. And futures to come, it will become one of the best institute. We also send the proposal more than 3.6 crores to the railway board to improve many of the infrastructure physical sports area. We can see a good cricket stadium and many indoor games. It will be established within a year or so. As a result, it become one of the best sports complex in the years to come. The KV school, the principal has taken a lot of care for the students. I think this year our performance index must be much better compared to last year. And lot of proactive activity has been taken care in the KV school, and there is a lot of demand for the school. And we hope the school also get upgraded to up to 12, so that it's a beneficial for both the railway employees and the local citizens who stay around the Rayapadu. With these key notes, I once again express my hearty greetings to all of you on this occasion, and also I express my wholehearted happiness, the support what you, all of you rendered for the complete growth of Rayapadu workshop. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for reading out the GM's message. And we, the employees of Rayapadu, are always proud to be a part of this organization.
Event more colorful and brightful, and to increase the patriotism in us. Children of Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Be
मेरा दूसरा है जापानी ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा दूसरा है जापानी ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। के तले आजा जली वाले नीले आसमान के तले चक दे इंडिया इंडिया वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सलाम सलाम वाले खुशी बुला सच्चे शाम मातरम वंदे Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
was a great marship and that was a great dance. Thank you so much, kids.
डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती ये धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला ये धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला जहाँ हर बालक एक मोहन है और राधा एक बाला और राधा एक बाला वह सूरज सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना फेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती अलबेलों के इस धरती में जो आए भी है अलबेले अलबेलों के इस धरती में जो हार भी है अलबेले कहीं दिवाली की जगमग है होली के कहीं मेले होली के कहीं मेले जहाँ रंग रंग और हंसी खुशी का सारा है घेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा वो भारत देश है मेरा जय भारती 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 जय भारती
Jai Hind. That was very nice song.
just made the day more colorful and brightful. You made the
ఎగురవే ఎగురవే జెండా ఎంతెత్తు ఎగిరినా ఎదురు ఏమున్నదే ఎగురవే 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 జెండా ఈ దేశ చరితము నవరస భరితము ఈ దేశ స్వాతంత్ర పోరాట ఫలితము ఈ దేశ చరితము నవరస భరితము ఈ దేశ స్వాతంత్ర పోరాట ఫలితము మౌవన్నే వెలుగులే ముద్దులే భరితము ఈ రేడు లోకాల ఈ మాట విహితము ఎగురవే 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 జెండా ఈ గాలి ఈ నీరు ఈ వెలుగులన్నీ ఏ ఒకరి సత్తుగానో వర్ధిల్లారాదని ఈ గాలి ఈ నీరు ఈ వెలుగులన్నీ ఏ ఒకరి సత్తుగానో వర్ధిల్లారాదని సమతా మమతల హక్కు సర్వులకు సమమని సమతా మమతల హక్కు సర్వులకు సమమని ధర్మ చక్రములోని మర్మము చాటవే ఎగురవే 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 జెండా కులమతమ్ముల అడ్డు గోడలు కూలాలి కుళ్ళు కుచితముల నీడలు వీడాలి కులమతమ్ముల అడ్డు గోడలు కూలాలి కుళ్ళు కుచితముల నీడలు వీడాలి మనిషి మనిషికి మధ్య మమతలు పెరగాలి మనిషి మనిషికి మధ్య మమతలు పెరగాలి నీతి నిజాయితీలు ఎత్తు ఎదగాలి ఎగురవే 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 జెండా ఎంతెత్తు ఎగిరినా ఎదురు ఏమున్నదే ఎగురవే 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 జెండా.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That was very calming and practicing. Thank you so much.
Sir, Srinivas Garu is very kind enough and announced spot cash award to the extent of 24,000 rupees to all the participants like BTC staff, RPF staff, Scouts and Guides, Civil Defence, Welfare Section, SSC Electrical and staff, SSC IOW work staff, housekeeping staff, canteen staff, Railway Institute Committee, Assurance staff, cultural groups, photographer and anchoring. I cordially invite Srinivas sir and Madam Srinivas sir kindly come and us to distribute the cash awards.
Next, RPF staff, Mr. V. Srinivas Rao. Inspector. Next, Scouts and Guides, Mr. Yogesh Karan. Civil Defence, Mr. B.N.V. Satyamurthy Garu.
Mr. K. Nagarjuna from Welfare Section, Personal Branch. SSC IOW Work Staff, Mr. K. Venkatesh Garu. Housekeeping in charge, Railway Institute Committee for organizing such a wonderful dais, all the arrangements for all the people seated here.
అందరూ ఆడి మమ్మల్ని అంతా ఎంకరేజ్ చేశారు. ముందుగా కొన్ని స్పెషల్ జ్యూరీ అవార్డ్స్ ప్రకటిస్తున్నాము. మాకు పర్మిషన్ ఇచ్చేసి ఎంకరేజ్ చేసిన డిప్యూటీ సీఎం గారికి అవార్డు అందుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటాం. ప్లీజ్ సార్. స్పెషల్ జ్యూరీ అవార్డ్స్ సూపర్వైజర్ని మాకు ఒకే గారు ఆటోతో ఎంకరేజ్ చేసిన డిప్యూటీ సీఎం గారికి స్పెషల్ జ్యూరీ అవార్డ్స్. ప్లీజ్ ఫస్ట్ మ్యాచ్ వచ్చి మమ్మల్ని మ్యాచ్ ఓపెన్ చేసేసి దాదాపు 60 మ్యాచ్ వీక్షించారు. మీలో ఉన్న క్రీడా స్ఫూర్తికి చాలా నిదర్శనం సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. Now the time for runners team, please.
For Bay 5 and CBC. Let us all encourage them with a great round of applause. Supervisors not only guiding us in performing our works but also the sporty spirit in them. Bay 4, Bay 5 and Bay 6 group is headed by our PE sir. Being the captain of the group, he has led the group in a better way. Let us all give a great round of applause to the runners team. Team led by Mr. Subani, who has gained 50 runs for 30 balls. Made the team a great win. A big round of applause to Mr. Subani Garu. Great cheers to the winners team.